got is this. It's Kuving. Okay. It came with the manual instruction. You got the warranty. It came with the recipe book, and also came with advertising magazine. Okay.
Alright, welcome back to my channel. Okay, let's get started how to assemble this juicer. Okay, this is the motor, and you got all these products in here. Okay, let's do it. Okay, first things first is this one. Okay, so you just put like that, facing on this side. Look at that. This one, these 3 holes have to go here. Okay, so that it will lock it. Okay. Second one is this. So if you want to use a juicer, you can use this. It doesn't matter which way. Anyway, once you get in, it rotates by itself. See? So now, see the red dot? You have to put together here. There you go. Okay? And I'll show you how it's done. And this one here has to go inside, in the middle, and twist. Yeah, that's it. It will lock the one there. Now, I want to show you something so that you know what I'm talking about. See this one here, the dot, the 2 dot has to be together, yeah? Alright. Let's explain that to you. Now, this one is actually the last part you need to put it, okay? So you also use the red dot, align it on the red dot, okay? Line up all together. There. And you kind of like wiggling it, and you push it, and then twist on your left side. Yeah, twist on your left side. That's how you do it. Remember, let me just show you this one. Alright, now that we have in closer look, see, remember when I twist this one on your left side, you see that red dot, it went over on that side, and as you can see, you get the closer, align up on this side, but there's another one here, pose it, okay? So you have to completely, all the way, this pose, align up here. All to do that is to hold this one, hold here, or you can hold it on this side, and you just turn again on clockwise, all the way, there, lock it up. That means you're now good to go, yeah? And this one, close that. This, on the other hand, is what you use it for, you know, in and out, in and out, in and out. Alright, so that's about it, and we're going to make the smoothie later. And of course, the last part you need to put in is this one, these two. This one, the one with the shape, to pour your stuff on your bottle. they go on this side. Okay, this one is to receive all these dry vegetables. Okay, that's how it is. So if you want to make a pulp, I believe this is the best way to use it, and I'll show you how. And also smoothie, this is the best way to use it. You do not put any hard stuff in here, like ice cubes. If it's a crusher, I believe you can use ice crusher. Ice crushed. It's been crushed. So okay, last part. Someone actually asked me how to use this. Okay, this is a takeover.
Say what?
Okay, what you have to do after you finish your stuff making juicer. So this one here is to use that. Actually, that side, plain here, that side that has a connection. There you go. So what you do is you go anti-clockwise, push it on the right side, and voila, it's locked. That's how you finish it. Put it back again. You push it, and twist. There you go, and lock it. This is a heavy stuff. This is very heavy, so you don't need to hold it. You can actually use your hand, but do not use your hand to remove it because it's kind of hard to do it. Okay, that's what I actually tried a while ago before I make this video. So this is actually our juicer. This is the finished assembled product, and this is going to here. I got all the stuff in here. Easier to access, and that's about it. Thanks for watching. You don't want to miss my video, make sure to ring that bell.
Say what?